Well, this is one of the most interesting seasonal outlooks I've ever seen. I'll get to that 3-month forecast in a moment. But firstly, let's have a detailed look at the major drivers of weather patterns around Australia right now. Let's start with the Pacific Ocean. These are the sea surface temperature anomalies, what they are compared to average. Now, this blue tongue across the equatorial Pacific, that shows where ocean temperatures are below average, the classic La Nina signal. Right now, in the Nino 3.4 box of the equatorial Pacific, those sea surface temperatures are 0.62 below average, not quite at the La Nina threshold, so that signal is very weak. However, critically, the atmosphere is responding to that change. The Southern Oscillation Index is currently plus 21. That is well beyond the La Nina threshold of plus 7. So we are definitely still in a La Nina phase, and that's why we're continuing to see rainfall across the country. Now, if we look at the global models through June, 3 predict we'll still be in La Nina in June, 4 returning the Pacific to neutral. Most La Ninas break down through autumn, so this La Nina, well, it is just refusing to dissipate, and that's why the rain continues. Now let's pop to the Indian Ocean, a negative Indian Ocean dipole. That is the Indian Ocean's version of La Nina. 5 out of 5 global models predict it will develop during the next 3 months. And that's why when we look at the chance of above medium rain for May, almost all of Australia is likely to be wetter than normal. These darker shadings show a greater than 80% risk. Now the 3-month outlook, May to July, well over half of Australia is a greater than 80% chance of above medium rain. And finally, for the winter months, June to August, again, most of the country a greater than 80% chance of above medium rain, which means the wet start to 2022 is set to continue, and we expect further widespread flooding over the next few months.